Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today we are going to talk about the best life insurance company in the US in 2024. When selecting a life insurance provider, it's essential to consider factors such as financial strength, policy options, and customer service. In 2024, five standout companies in the U.S. life insurance market are Northwestern Mutual, Prudential, New York Life, Mass Mutual, and State Farm. Each of these providers offers unique advantages, making them excellent choices for individuals seeking reliable coverage tailored to their specific needs and financial goals. Now, let's start with Northwestern Mutual. Northwestern Mutual stands out as the largest life insurance provider in the U.S., offering a comprehensive range of products, including term, whole, and universal life insurance. One of its key advantages is the ability for policyholders to receive dividends on eligible policies, enhancing the value of their coverage. The company boasts an exceptional financial strength rating of A++ from AM Best, including reliability in paying claims. Additionally, its policies are designed to build cash value over time, providing a financial asset to policyholders. Northwestern Mutual also offers a unique additional purchase benefit, allowing policyholders to increase coverage without additional underwriting after significant life events. Customer satisfaction is high, with fewer complaints than expected for a company of its size, making it a trustworthy choice for life insurance seekers. Prudential is recognized for its policy personalization, offering a wide variety of term and universal life insurance options tailored to individual needs. This flexibility is complemented by numerous rider options, enabling customers to enhance their coverage according to their specific circumstances. Prudential's strong market presence, being the fourth largest U.S. life insurer, reflects its reliability and customer trust. The company also provides easy-to-use online tools and live agent support, making the purchasing process accessible and straightforward. However, Prudential does not offer whole life insurance or no medical exam policies, which may limit options for some consumers. Despite this, its competitive offerings and solid customer service make Prudential a strong contender in the life insurance market. New York Life Insurance. New York Life Insurance is highly regarded for its extensive range of life insurance products, including term, whole, universal, and variable universal life policies. The company has a strong financial standing, earning an A++ rating from AM Best, which assures policyholders of its ability to meet claims. One of the key advantages of New York Life is its commitment to customer satisfaction, consistently ranking above average in J.D. Power studies. The company also offers a unique feature where policyholders can customize their coverage amounts and terms, providing flexibility to adapt to changing financial needs. Additionally, New York Life's policies can build cash value, providing an investment component that can be utilized in the future. This combination of financial strength, customer service, and product variety makes New York Life Insurance a leading choice for life insurance. Mass Mutual is particularly noted for its whole life insurance policies, which provide granted death benefits and cash value accumulation. The company has a robust financial rating of A++ and is known for its commitment to customer service, often receiving high marks in satisfaction surveys. One of the standout features of Mass Mutual is its dividend-paying policies, which can enhance the overall value of the insurance. The company also offers a variety of riders, allowing policyholders to customize their coverage to better fit their needs. Furthermore, Mass Mutual has a strong focus on financial planning, providing resources and tools to help customers make informed decisions about their insurance and investment options. This combination of reliable coverage, customer support, and financial growth potential positions Mass Mutual as a top choice for those seeking life insurance. State Farm. State Farm is well known for its strong customer service and competitive term life insurance options. It has a solid financial strength rating and is recognized for its accessibility with a user-friendly online platform and local agents available for personalized support. One of the key advantages of State Farm is its affordability, offering competitive rates for term life insurance, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, State Farm's policies can be easily customized with various riders, allowing policyholders to tailor their coverage according to their individual needs. The company's reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction is further enhanced by its extensive network of agents, ensuring that policyholders receive the support they need throughout their insurance journey. This combination of affordability, customization, and strong service makes State Farm a leading provider in the life insurance market. In conclusion, choosing the right life insurance provider is crucial for securing your financial future and protecting your loved ones. Northwestern Mutual, Prudential, New York Life, Mass Mutual, and State Farm each offer distinct advantages that cater to various needs and preferences. By carefully evaluating their offerings, financial strength, and customer service, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your goals, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.